So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy plasma, ticker symbol XPL here on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom right, press on buy crypto. In the search bar, type in ticker symbol XPL and then press on plasma. On this page right here, type in the amount of plasma you're looking to buy. I'll do $20 as an example. Then to go to the next page, press on the purple arrow on the right. On this page, you can see the amount, the price, the fee, and the total that you will be paying for this crypto. If you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press confirm to proceed this way with the transaction if you want to do so. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy plasma, ticker symbol XPL on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.